Welcome back to another stop on our Australian road trip. Today we're taking you on a tour of Wairo Beach Caravan Park, just south of Ulladulla in New South Wales. This park offers beachfront access, great facilities, and plenty of space to relax. Let's take a look. We'll start with a drive around the park to give you a feel for the layout. Wairo Beach Caravan Park is nestled right on the coast, offering both powered and unpowered sites, as well as a range of cabins. The roads are well maintained, and there's plenty of space for larger caravans and motorhomes. One of the standout features of this park is its direct access to Wairo Beach. Whether you're into swimming, fishing, or just relaxing with an ocean view, it's only a short walk from your campsite. The park also has a great family-friendly feel, with a playground for the kids and a swimming pool if you prefer calmer waters. For those who love a bit of nostalgia, Wairo Beach Caravan Park has a unique touch. The old-style cabins give the place a real beachside charm blended in some more modern style. It's a great option if you're looking for something different from the usual caravan park. A short walk along a tree-lined path leads to breathtaking views of Wairo Beach. Whether you're looking to take a refreshing swim, relax on the sand while soaking up the sun, or try your luck with some beach fishing, this spot has it all. It's the perfect place to unwind and enjoy the coastal beauty. One of the most unique aspects of Wairo Beach Caravan Park is its themed cabin area, designed to resemble the old township of Wairo. As you drive through, you'll spot charming rustic-style buildings. You can choose to stay in the old grocery store to the photograph shop, or maybe the Ampol station is more to your liking. And for larger families, you can choose to stay at the pub, each with quirky names, including One Hung Low, the Old Wairo Laundry. It adds a fun historical touch to the park and makes for some great photo opportunities. Barbecue areas are found throughout the park and are a great place to cook up a meal while enjoying the coastal breeze. It's a friendly communal spot where you can swap travel stories with fellow adventurers. A jumping pillow, as well as a tennis court, is located near the front of the park. And further down the street, you will find the dump point. Inside One Hung Low, you'll find the laundry facilities, which is spacious and well equipped with modern washers and dryers. Perfect for keeping things fresh during your stay, also a well-maintained camp kitchen. Let's go around back and take a quick look at the park's facilities. The amenities block is clean and well maintained, with hot showers and plenty of space. And this is just one of them. Others are located around the park. Overall, Wairo Beach Caravan Park is a fantastic spot for a coastal getaway. Whether you're here for a short stay or an extended break, the beachfront access, well-kept facilities, and friendly atmosphere make it a great choice. Would we stay here again? Absolutely. If you've been here before, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel reviews across Australia. Until next time, happy travels.